This Mustang was left broken down on the side of the road for years. But watch what happens next. Abandoned on a quiet highway, this 1967 Ford Mustang has been forgotten for years, slowly disappearing into the tall grass. Every scratch and rust patch on this fastback tells a story of neglect. Years of exposure have left it in terrible condition. But even here, on the side of an empty road, this American icon still has one more chance to ride again.